شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد.
Good evening and welcome to the afternoon news. The digital remastering of the classic Monty Python sketch Life of Brian was released recently and is attracting people across generations in what seems to be the rebirth of real humor. However, not everyone seems pleased with the film. To elaborate on that, we have Malte Crackman in the studio.
Today we are welcoming a recently retired Muslim film critic who holds strong beliefs about the Monty Python sketch Life of Brian. Hello, Ali Hussain.
Hello, my friend. A pleasure to meet you.
Ali, can you please tell us a little about yourself for a start?
Yes, of course. As you mentioned, I'm a retired film critic, but also an imam whose goal in life is to guide children and converters to the righteous path of life, the path of Islam.
Alright, and I've heard that you held some very strong beliefs about Monty Python's Life of Brian. As a matter of fact, you actually wrote us a letter complaining about the blasphemy present in the movie. Would you like to elaborate on that?
In Islam, we consider it a sin to portray gods and prophets. People have lost their respect for religion, and it has become a more common tendency to make fun of religion.
A common tendency, you say?
Yes, secularism is spreading through our daily day, infecting everything we hold dear and holy. Islam cannot abide to such divisions. Islam cannot be diminished without being destroyed. Islam is total and uncompromising. It is the last word of God, and it's not to be mingled with. Muslims around the world have forgotten this in their enchantment with the West. Only by restoring Islam to the center of our lives, our laws, and our governments, Muslims can hope to restore our rightful place as the dominant culture in the world. It is our duty, not only to ourselves, but also to God. Ah, damn it, Allah. Blessed be his name.
I sense this is getting a bit out of hand.
Allahu Akbar! My people have taken enough of this. If the persecution does not stop, there will be jihad. I and millions of others will gladly give our lives to this cause.
Yeah. Okay, er du klar?
Ja.
Okay. Nice. And thanks to you, Ali Hussain, for your very aggressive point of view, I would say. And thanks for your contribution to the daily debate. Onwards to the weather.
Godt vejr. Godt vejr. Totalt dårligt vejr.
Isn't there enchantment with the West? Det var fucking godt, det der.
Ja, det var. Du er nødt til at sætte den en forfra.
Jeg tror, vi satte den forfra.
Nej, er det rigtigt? Nej, det var pissegodt.
Okay. Hov, jeg filmer igen.
Okay, nice. And thanks to you. And I dance cha-cha-cha like a little girl.